Welcome to part 1 of my River Rocks paint-along video set. In this short introductory video clip, I'll give an overview of the paint-along. I'll talk about the objective. I'll review the materials that were used in doing the painting and the exercise, and I'll give links to download the reference material for this project. This video paint-along set consists of 4 parts. Part 1, the introduction and overview. Part 2, a skills exercise. Part 3 is a narrated step-by-step tutorial. And Part 4 is a demonstration that ties it all together. This is a reference photo for this project. It's a photograph that I took in the riverbed of the White River at Mount Rainier National Park. And one of the reasons I think it's a great subject for this project is it's not an overly complex subject to draw. The shapes are very simple. You don't have to worry about perspective. And it's a great opportunity to explore neutrals and texture. There's wonderful greens and blues and red and gray neutrals and a nice variety of texture in the stone. So it's a great opportunity to work on and develop some of those skills. These are the development objectives of this paint-along. Artistic interpretation. It's not the intent to sit here and try and render every mark on every little stone, but give an artistic interpretation of the scene that we're looking at. Neutral color mixtures. It's a great opportunity to experiment and develop the ability to mix a variety of neutrals. Painting with larger brushes. We'll start with larger brushes in the painting exercise in part 2. And then work towards smaller brushes. Creating textures, there's a number of things that can be done here to give the suggestion of the texture that's occurring on these rocks. And then gradation of value and color. That's a great skill that you can always work on honing to develop your ability to gradate that value or color in your painting. Part 2 is a skills exercise where we'll practice the techniques used to create this painting. Part 3 is a narrated step-by-step tutorial where I'll go through the development and completion of this painting. Part 4 is a demonstration video set to music at 3x speed so you can watch the whole thing come together uninterrupted. This is a list of the materials used for this project. The paper is a quarter sheet of 140-pound cold-pressed watercolor paper, and you need 2 sheets, one for the exercise and one for the completed painting. With the brushes, you'll need a larger round and a small to medium round. Challenge yourself to use a bit of a larger round brush, and that's what we'll start the painting with. As far as paint, I have ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, cerulean blue, viridian, alizarin crimson, and yellow ochre. If you don't have those exact colors, just try and find something close on the color wheel and you should be fine. You'll also need masking fluid and a toothbrush. For reference material, I'll make available for download the sketch, the photo, and an image of the painting, and those will all be posted on my website, my video page. So there's the link for it showing right there on this slide. This is the first video set that I've set up as a complete paint-along from the start. So if you do have any comments, if you'd like to see more like this, please share it with me. And if you do have questions, you can always reach me at contact@rsurwitzart@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and have fun painting.